In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a Slack webhook URL. We'll walk through this together step by step so you can start sending automated messages into your Slack workspace from other tools or scripts. A webhook URL is basically a special link that lets external services post messages directly into a Slack channel without you having to manually type anything. Once you have it, you can plug it into automation platforms, custom apps, or monitoring tools to send alerts, updates, or notifications. First, open your browser and go to the Slack API page for your apps. Make sure you're signed in with the same Slack workspace where you want to create the webhook. You should see a dashboard listing your Slack apps. If you already have an app set up for your workspace, click on that app to open its settings. If you don't see any apps yet, you'll need to create one first, but in this video, we're focusing on getting the webhook URL for an existing app. Once you're on your app's settings page in the Slack API dashboard, look at the left-hand sidebar. There you'll find a section labeled Incoming Webhooks. Go ahead and click on Incoming Webhooks. This is the feature that allows Slack to generate those special URLs that other services can send data to. On the Incoming Webhooks page, you might see that incoming webhooks are currently turned off for this app. There will be a toggle or button showing Off. Click on that Off control to enable incoming webhooks. When you do this, Slack is allowing your app to create one or more webhook URLs that can post into your workspace. After turning it on, the page should refresh or expand with more options. Now that incoming webhooks are enabled, look for a button that says Add New Webhook. Click on Add New Webhook. At this point, Slack may ask you to choose a channel where this webhook will post messages. Pick the channel that makes the most sense for the type of notifications you'll be sending, such as a testing channel or an alerts channel. After you confirm, Slack will generate a webhook URL for you. You'll now see that new webhook listed on the page, along with the URL. This is the link you'll copy and use in your external tools. Treat it like a password. Don't share it publicly, and rotate it if you think it might have been exposed. Once you've copied it, you're ready to start integrating your apps and sending automated messages into Slack.